Hi, it's Mrs. Cannikins back with the Cleanup Blitz, and this time we are going to physically clean our devices and our desk. So, yes, we are going to get the cleaners out and we are going to start cleaning. So, there are all sorts of things that we might decide to clean. I want you to physically clean your desk, clear off the books, tidy it up, and then get the dust, the grime, the crumbs, get that out of there. You're going to clean your computer screen. That might be your desktop, it might be your laptop, your Chromebook. Clean that screen. Now, to clean your computer screen, you might have a special solution that you like. So you might actually have like a solution that you've bought in a little bottle with a fancy little cloth. You can use that, or a nice microfiber cloth works well. And you might have a spray solution. Even a 1-to-1 water vinegar can work nice. And so clean those screens. Also, your phone case. Take that phone right out of the case, clean it out, get in there with a Q-tip or some air if you need. Clean your tablet. Again, usually these devices haven't come out of the cases for a while, so get them out of the cases. Give the case a nice clean with a damp cloth, and then clean your screen, clean the edges and all of those spaces in there. Another thing that you should clean is your earbud case and your earbuds. So if you have earbuds, whether they're still have a cord on them like mine do, or whether they are cordless, clean your earbud case. And especially if they're the ones that you charge, make sure you clean out that charging case as well. And as far as that goes, give your chargers a clean with a nice damp cloth. Maybe even this could even have a little soap on it. Clean your cords, clean off the charging blocks, make sure they're all unplugged, devices are unplugged when you do that. And the last thing that you're going to clean up is the desktop on either your desktop or your laptop. But if you have icons here, you are going to go ahead and you are going to do some cleaning. You can go through them all. Mostly I never put anything on my desktop that I don't want to lose. So I'm just going to highlight them all and delete, move to trash. Keep going till they're all gone. Or if you want to save some of them, you can make a folder and keep them on there. For this challenge, you are going to want to take lots of before and after pictures, maybe some close-ups, get an angle to show how grimy that screen is, the fingerprints on there. Maybe take a picture of some crud that's under your case on your phone or your tablet. Put those pictures in. If you need to add more photos, more pages to the Cleanup Blitz page, you are welcome to add a couple more for the month if you need to do that, to add those into your challenge space. That is absolutely okay. I look forward to having you ring in the new year with a nice, clean everything.